Today I'm going to show you how to format your paper in MLA style in Microsoft Word. There are a number of ways you can do this. This video is going to show you my easy way using Microsoft Word. I will be posting another video on if you want to use another way of doing it without a template. I will show you that. But this is pretty simple. What I've done here is I've opened up Microsoft Word and I have decided to go, this is what you get when you first open it up. You can see I will click on New, and you can see it gives you a number of templates here. You can see blank document, which is what a lot of you all use, MLA research paper, which we're going to use, and various other things you can use. There's a bunch of templates in Word. You do realize you can get a free copy of Word in your Wake Tech account. Look in the upper left-hand corner and you'll see a bunch of apps that you can get the latest version. So I'm going to click on MLA style research paper. Click on that. And it will come up. And this is a very nice, easy to use template. You can just, I'm going to delete out this edit researcher thing so you can see the whole page. It has the header information that you need. So what you need to do is very simple. You see where it says your name, you type in your name. Now I'll type in mine. And the instructor's name, for me, you can say Professor Chuck Hohenstein, or I'm going to put in one of my favorite professors from graduate school. And the course number, pick a course that I took, POL 515, and the date that it's due. So let's say your paper's due next Sunday. So I would say 24 May 2020. Do it that way, month, day, month, year. And here you can just type in your title. How to write in MLA style. And you can delete out things like this. Okay, whoops, I didn't want to do that. Nice thing is unclick. And then you can start here and you just start typing away. Very simple. And then for your header, you can put your last name up there. We'll talk about for formal formatting at a later date. But that's all there is to it. It's very simple. Word will keep everything in double space. And you notice here, it'll keep your margins just left justified, and it's very easy. So that's all there is to it. Hope this helps, and there'll be another video on going into the actual blank page and doing it